Good morning, friends. This is Sujit here, and today, as I promised, that I'll be creating a video on Bitcoin. Now, there is a major event coming in Bitcoin, which is Bitcoin halving, which is going to happen in another 20 days and 19 hours as per the countdown for Bitcoin halving. So, on 6,30,000 block, the Bitcoin is going to help, and the mining is going to become 50% from the current mining speed. So if you know what is Bitcoin halving, you must be knowing this is a very important event in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency industry. Whenever the halving happens, after that Bitcoin supply is reduced by 50% for all the block rewards. So till today, it was 12.5 BTC for every block that used to be mined. Last Bitcoin halving had occurred in 2016. You can see that time the blocks were rewarded with 25 BTC each block. After 2016's halving, it went down to 12.5 BTC per block, and that time the rate had gone from $650 to almost $18,000. The high was in 2018. Okay, so this is how the halving reduces the supply of Bitcoin every 4 years. Okay, so this is how the halving is going to impact the Bitcoin supply. Now the current halving is going to bring down the supply down from 12.5 to 6.25. So it's going to be a major event. You are going to the miners are going to receive only 6.25 BTC for every block mine. So this is going to put pressure on the supply, and that's why the rate are most probably going to go up. As per my judgment, it's already cashed in a lot of benefit of halving already. But after every halving, there is a big move that comes in. Now, this is the current chart of Bitcoin. You can see here, last high was here in 2017 December, and from there it had gone down to 3,200. If you know that I had created one video in month of June or July in 2017-18, and I had predicted that it would go down to 3,200. If you are following my previous videos, you can see here. In that video, I had clearly predicted that the rate will go down to $3,000, and during this was in June 19, 2018. I had made this prediction of $3,000, and exactly after 6 months, in December month, it had fallen down to 3,200 to be precise, from the rate of approximately $8,000. So that was the accurate prediction I had made in 2018 when I had just created this channel. So that time it had fallen down to $3,000. Now current scenario, we'll go to the current chart. You can see here, this was the high of 2018, and this is the fall of 2018 December. You can see here it had gone down to 3,200. From there it has recovered again and once went up to around $13,000. Again it retraced to almost $3,000 here recently, and from there it is struggling to go up. The current position, here I have made 2 arrows. You can see here, if it crosses $8,000 or maybe 7,700 upwards, and if it breaks the 8,000 barrier, then you can expect Bitcoin to be a bullish, and it will be a really very strong move upwards, because every time after halving, if Bitcoin goes into strong upward movement, it can go up to any range. So it will definitely break this last high, which is of $18,000, and always it moves in multiply of 2. So it will go to $36,000 to $50,000 after this halving, which is going to happen on 10th of May to 15th of May. There are various people having different predictions about the date of halving, but most probably between 10th May to 15th May, it will definitely happen. So if it breaks above 8,000, it's going to go up to approximately $36,000 to $50,000. This is definitely going to happen in coming future. In 2020, by December, you can see that the rate is almost about $20,000, and it will remain there for another 3 to 4 years. So that's going to be a range for another 3 to 4 years. Bitcoin is going to be trading between $20,000 to $50,000. In case there is very rare possibility, I don't think it may happen, because it may go down to if it breaks $3,000 barrier again before this halving or after the halving, it might go down to $1,200 or $1,300, but that is very remote possibility. I don't see that there is such a strong weakness. It is it can only trigger due to some financial eclipse or some natural disaster like corona, which is already affecting the entire financial market. So that could be the only trigger that can push BTC down to $1,200 to $1,300. Otherwise, it has very strong fundamentals, and definitely after halving, it will go to $20,000 and above, between $50,000 and $20,000. I'm going to create more videos for different cryptocurrencies. If you all want to know about any other cryptocurrency, if you like my technical analysis and if you follow, please let me know. I'll definitely create videos for you all. Thank you very much. And definitely do not forget to like the video and share it. Thank you. Do not forget to click on subscribe, like and bell button.